Question number 30. A satellite of mass m is in orbit around a planet of radius r and mass m. Okay. The total energy of the satellite is minus gmm by 4r. See, usually what happens is, if you have a planet like this and you consider a particle over here on the surface, the total energy is equal to minus of potential energy divided by 2. Okay. So what will this be? This will now be equal to minus gmm divided by 2r, where m is the mass of this particle, capital M is the mass of the planet if it is on the surface. Okay, this is what is a actual formula which we have. But here it is given as 4r over here, which means what? The denominator is multiplied by 2 over here. See, this m is not changing, capital M is not changing, g is not changing, only this part is changing. So why does this change occur? It's only because of the change in the value of r. So therefore, now if I put, okay, let us say for example, for this new planet, if I write E dash is equal to minus gmm divided by 2r dash, and I compare with this one here, with this formula that we have already got over here, I can now write r dash is equal to 2 times r. What does it mean? That the object is not here, but instead it is somewhere over here, such that the total distance here is 2r. Okay, that's what it says. The radius of the orbit is seen to be 2r. Okay, it is not at the surface, it is now revolving at a distance of 2r from the center of the planet. Thus the answer is C over here.